Yes family, back with another video, and today I want to talk about taking your time in life. Now you gotta know the difference between being patient and just plain out wasting your time. There's a thin line. So I understand a lot of people in life think that they're doing something, but they're really not doing anything. They're just procrastinating. But whole time there are other people who in their heads are not doing nothing, but they're making moves and they're being patient. Like for example, I'll give you my example. The first 6 months of this year, I was just being patient. You get what I'm trying to say? But in my head, nothing was going on. The first 3 months of this YouTube channel, like the first year actually, like I just finished doing business at college and I didn't know what to do with myself that much. So I didn't have no job. I had no school or job to go to in the daytime. I wasn't really boxing that much either. I was really just chilling at home, not doing nothing. I had a little side business I was doing or whatever, but I was just doing that for bread. I was just doing it for money and just seeing how much I can really do with it, and that was what I was looking to do for the rest of my life. Not the rest of my life, that was going to be my elevator into the business world or whatever. So in my head I'm thinking I'm being patient, I'm doing what I'm doing, but I was kind of wasting my time because this wasn't something I was passionate about. This wasn't something I wanted to do in a long time. I was really just fugging it out, just getting what I had to do done. Then it dawned on me, I need to stay in education, because like I'm saying, if you're chasing a career, you're always busy, number one, and that doesn't have to be something you do for the rest of your life, a career. Honestly, YouTube is something that I would probably be doing for the rest of my life, just because I like the grind of it. I like how you guys respond to the videos. I like the DMs I get. I like that I help a lot of you guys out. We're obviously growing pretty quickly. So yeah, this is something I can see myself, not even see myself do, forget even all of that. This is something that I don't do for the bread. Like I genuinely enjoy doing this. You get what I'm trying to say? Like I'm just chilling here in my room right now, talking with you guys. Like I feel like I'm just talking to my friends right now, but I'm just speaking to myself in my room with a camera in front of me, not even camera, my phone. Even when I started the YouTube channel, I was like, I want to have 1K subs by the end of the year. Like everything in my mind was a race. Like I want to have this car by next year. I want to move out by this time. And you gotta understand, it's not a race. It's okay. Like life is short, but it's not going nowhere. Like you gotta understand, like that car you want to buy, it's not going nowhere. In 2 years it's still going to be there. And I'm talking in terms of materialistic objects. Just take your time. Even my last video I was talking about how I was so angry because the apartment I wanted to buy doubled in price, and I was mad about that. But realistically, it just wasn't my time. But it's okay, it's not a race. Apartments aren't going anywhere. They're building new apartment buildings every day. It's okay. At one point I'm going to be making enough bread to the point where I can buy a house. That's gonna happen eventually, but it's not a race. Just relax. I'm in a good spot. I'm in a good place right now. Do you get what I'm trying to say to you? Like I'm doing more than 90% of 19-year-olds, and I can really say that. So, and that's not even me being cocky or trying to flex on no one. That's just the solid truth. I really work hard every day to put myself in a position where I'm better, not better, but I'm in a better position than most other 19, even 20-year-olds. And like I'm saying, that's not me being cocky. I genuinely get up every single day and put myself in that position. I put myself through the work. I put myself through the pain of doing what I need to do every day so I can say that. And a lot of people need to strive for the same thing. If you're watching this channel right now, that tells me that you either want to be the top 1% or you are in the top 1%, or top 10% if you want, but I just say top 1% because that's what I like to say. Nonetheless, what I've got to say is I'm in a good position. I don't need to be moving like it's a race against, like, it's okay. Just calm down. It's going to happen all in God's time. You can't force it, because Rome wasn't built in a day. A tall skyscraper built here, but it doesn't have a strong foundation, that will sink into the ground, you know, or fall over in the wind, from the wind. That will fall over. You know what I'm trying to say? Anything built quickly, accumulated quickly, doesn't last very long at all. So sometimes it's better for it to take 5 years of grind, 10 years of grind, an extra year in college, an extra year grinding. So you know your shit is down packed. You know your shit is your foundation's strong. You know what I mean? So when the wind beats and the storm comes and the tsunami hits and that, you know your building is high and dry. You feel me? You know your castle is made out of bricks, not made out of wood. You know that your house is made out of stones and not straw, like the Three Little Pigs. You get what I'm trying to say? I'm bringing out real analogies out here. Do your research on the Three Little Pigs and the wolf. It gets serious, but catch my drift. I feel like FYBJ man right now. But but anyway, like guys, don't stress out and don't feel like you have to run across the world in a day. Like, you don't have to go around the world in 80 days. Chill out. We live till we're 75 averagely. God willing, we live till 175. But you got your time. We're still kids. We're only just getting into our lives now. We don't have to go and try every meal. Just take your time. Get your first plate. Enjoy it. Get your second plate. Enjoy it. That's not saying don't eat. If you're not eating or you're not getting up off your ass to go and get the food, that's where you're in trouble. When you're not getting off your ass to go try the food. But if you're trying the food, take time and enjoy it. You don't have to race, keep wolfing everything down. That's how you get a tummy ache. That's how you take yourself out of commission. You get what I'm trying to say? Just take time. Your pace is your grind. You get what I'm trying to say? Take time. Your pace is your grind. Just be consistent. That's all you need to be. Work hard and be consistent. Those are the two things you need. Don't worry about being quick or doing this before the age of 21. Make sure you work hard and you're consistent. Those are the two things you need to make sure you're doing, and you will be nice. That's it. Work smart too. Make sure you make decisions as well. Whatever you want to be, whatever profession you want to study, sorry guys, whatever profession you want to study and be involved in, make sure you put 100% into that, and you be consistent. You show up every day, you go to the gym, you work on your sports, you work on your little side business, you do what you want to do, you do research, man. Google up and investigate. Do the overtime. You feel me? That's all you gotta do. Don't be worried about everyone else and what your friends are doing. Bro, like, sometimes I catch myself in the trap too. My friends are doing things and I think, oh, I need to hurry up and get that too. I need to hurry up and get... Don't get me wrong, that urgency is good. But I'm saying just calm down. Not everyone's in the same... Not everyone needs the same things at the same time. Just take your time. It's okay. But do know this though. If you're not applying pressure and you're not going out to go get what you need to go get, then you're in a whole heap of fuckery. Don't be that. That's a bad basket to be in. But just take your time and enjoy your food. That's all I've got to say for this video. You guys make sure you like, subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. We're almost halfway there. So thank you guys again. Thank you guys for 430 subscribers. And yeah, guys, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok and all of that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.